to tutorial is, and in this video you are going to learn how to upload CSV file from Angular and PHP MySQL. In Angular, in Frontend we are going to use Angular, and in the backend we are going to use PHP and MySQL. In MySQL we will create a few fields where the uploaded data will be inserted into the MySQL database. So this is the structure: first name, last name, email, password, gender, hobbies, and country. These fields we will insert from a CSV file. So let's open here Excel. Then we will create here one CSV file with these datas. So close here. Let's name it first name, that means Umar. Let me type here. What's happening? There is something wrong here. Okay, so in first row we will write here Umar Rahman, last name. So apart from this, what other things are? Email. So the third call we will write umar@gmail.com, and what other fields are there? Password. So 1 2 3 4 5. Gender, male. Then hobbies and countries. So hobbies will be like TV, books, etc. And then country, India. Okay, so another name will be Rajesh Kumar, rajesh@gmail.com, password 1 2 3 4 5. Then mail, then cricket, India. Okay, so these are two fields, CSV fields we are going to create. We will save this as here in desktop. We will just save it as names. Okay, oh sorry, we will save it as here CSV, this one, comma separated delimiter will be CSV. So just we will name it as registration. Okay, so now it's saved here. That's it, its work is now done. Now let's go to yes, CSV, yes, replace it, yes, that's it. Okay, now so we will upload that through Angular, and it should display here the record here, okay, like this. So let's clean it first, then we will upload it from Angular. Now so let's create a new project, ng new CSV upload. Yes. Okay, so the project is created. Now let's CSV cd, then npm start. So let's start here, localhost 4200. Once this server runs, then It's compiling here. Okay, so this is our new interface. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Let's open folder from here. So right Angular classes, then CSV Upload. Right, now first thing that we will do is just include here CDN, bootstrap CDN. Bootstrap CDN. Okay, then the next will be, let's click on app here, and then let's create here single HTML file. Let's start from here. So first container, and then here we will create a form. Okay, the form name will be this form group form, then ng submit image, and then and here will be file and on change file upload file event. Okay, and finally button, submit button. Okay, and now in app component.ts, here we will write form. We will create instance of this form, what we have just used here, this form group. So we'll create an instance here, then constructor inside this we will call here form builder. So let's import this form builder. This form builder is required, and then later we will also call here service. But before that, simply let's add here, and here we need to import from group as well. Okay, so initially we are going to use reactive form. Then let's create the function here. This function, this is the same function which we have specified here, upload file. Okay, so inside this we will write this. So this code will collect the information on change. Okay, so when we will on change, so the file name, the file information will be stored in this file or variable or constant. Okay, this will be on change. If you want to see what's happening here, console.log, and then if you check here, just write here const, sorry, file, not const, this file. You write here just file. Okay, and apart from that you will get error. So to avoid this error, because it will ask for this function as well, so let's create this function, empty function for the time being, then later we will use more code here. Okay, now let's see what happens, what it is saying. Form can't bind to from group. Okay, right, now we have to open this module. So import here forms module and reactive forms module from Angular forms, and then these two needs to be imported here in an import section. Now the error should go. Now let's close it. Okay, you can see Now we have the form here to upload. So if you Control Shift Tab inspect element and then go to console and try to upload, select any file. So let's select the same file, this one, registration. Then you can see the information of this file is displaying here. So everything is information, all information is here. Class modified, then name, what's its name, size, etc. Okay, so all the details is gathering this code. So now you understand why we have written this code, right? Okay, now let's comment it, and then we will bind this information, whatever information is coming, to this form group, because initially its value is null. So when we select this value, we will set this to this image. Okay, but how it's possible? We will do this through patch function. So let's write this code here. So what it will do, it will take information from here, and then this image will be patched to here. So that means whatever information we will get, it will be attached to here. Okay, and the same information will be passed to services. Apart from that, we need to write this code as well, because this will get the information of that image and set this to here. Okay, so that's it here. Now we need to create service, okay, to upload the file. So here let's create, right click, then just I'm creating a new file. Okay, so the service name will be image upload service.ts. So here let's create the class injectable, this will be, and then this is our class name. So it will ask us to import something. So injectable, let's import it from the top, and then here we will write here constructor, and inside constructor we will call here, and then here we need to call HTTP client, because this is the same HTTP client module which will send and receive the data to our PHP REST API. And we need to import once again this one, HTTP client here. So let's import here too. So I don't know why Angular didn't import this. The error is now gone. Now we will create a function here, image upload, with parameter here CSV file, and then file type is file, and with observable. And once again we need to import here from RJX so that there will be no error. So still it needs to be important something. Okay, it says that it will return something. Okay, so now let's write here code. So first let's declare here empty form data. Okay, and we will attach this form data to our file. Here we will write the file to upload, and of course this will be here. Okay, and still we are getting error because we need to return here. So we will write here return HTTP client. So what is our this HTTP dot host, return here will be this dot HTTP dot host, then any here, and then here we will pass the data. So in our case we will pass here, this is our CSV uploading file, and we will pass this to form data. That means whatever information will coming from there, it will be sent to PHP file. Here let's type here dot pipe, and then or simply in this case we can leave it as it is. Okay, just let's put semicolon. That means return, we are calling it then, or simply from data, and then here, yes, it's not required actually, so let's just return this. After here, let's put it here semicolon, that's it. And then let's get back once again here in app component.ts here. So we will write here this dot image upload service. So we need to call this image upload service here inside constructor here, image upload service, public, and then image upload service, and this is included here automatically. Now this needs to be called here, and then we will pass parameter here, this image upload service. So here inside this we need to pass this parameter dot image, then this close, and then here this code pipe dot so this one needs to be called here, and then route. So we don't need this anyway, we will just show message here. So that's it. That means what's happening here, the data, we will upload the image from here. Okay, from this we will upload the image from here, then it will go to app component here, on change this function will fire, and then image information will be stored here, that information will be patched to here, and then same data we will pass here, this dot form dot value. Okay, after this it will go to image service, and after returning there it will show in data what is happening. Okay, so let's try. Yes, and here let's check in the csv.php file. So this is my file inside the XAMPP folder. Here my directory, the folder name is Angular CSV Upload inside htdocs. Inside this I have a file called CSV Upload, csv.php. Let's go to this file and let me explain what I've written here. This is general connection, database connection. My database name is registration, and then we are just defining here the path. So it's inside C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, Angular CSV Upload. That means the CSV file will be uploaded here in this directory, this one. Okay, in this directory here only file will be uploaded. You can specify other folder also, like upload, whatever you want. Then yeah, let's go open here. Then we are taking the base file upload, then file name here, then actual uploading task takes place here. We are sending here response in JSON format, success or fail, either success or fail. If the file gets uploaded successfully, then we will get this message, or else it will show fail. And now we are, after uploading, we are fetching the file here. Okay, then it opens, and then while loop here, empty array, and here we need to change the code. So our it's let's check here. First name, what are fields, the field names are, by the way, there is some error. Okay, so HTTP, this is the error, HTTP client module. We need to call this one also in app module.ts. We need to call here import HTTP client module, this one, and then import this one into import folder. So that error should go now here. The next thing that we need to do here we have how many fields? Let's go to here. So we have first name, last name, so that will be 0 index. So let me show you here, that will be 0 index, and let me explain you how it works. So this is our registration, right? Let's open it. So this is 0 index, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Okay, so we will have to specify here first name in 0 index, then last name. This is empty array where we are inserting the data. Last name, email, so 1, it will be 1, 2, here insert email, then password. In third one there will be password. So this will be third one, and gender, right? Gender. So this will be fourth one, and then hobbies and country. Hobbies, so 5, and country. And now here also we are checking if it's not empty, okay, then insert, or else that means we are preventing here the blank entry. Okay? So the table name is student, then first name, last name, email, first name, here last name, email, then password. So okay, so these are the fields: first name, last name, email, password, gender, hobbies, and country. Similarly, we need to pass here also like this. So it will be first name, last name, just copy paste these things. Last name, email, then password, so gender, hobbies, and countries. So let's just change it: gender, hobbies, and country. There will be no last column. That's it. Okay, so now let's try. Now finally let's give a try. Okay, go here and then select this file, registration. Now didn't change anything. It should come here when we select the file. That time it was coming. Okay, so now let's go to network and then test here. Okay, there is something wrong. It is not submitting. Okay, so what did it say? Function not implemented. Where? First. Here. Here it is saying something. App component of TS. So why don't you simply just subscribe? Let's remove it. Subscribe and then data. So here also you can write something like this. Any, that's it. Console.log, console.log, AAA, whatever. Now let's go again here. And then still there is something wrong. Okay, so it's showing here AA. But what happened? We have to check if the data got uploaded or not. Yes, so our CSV file is successfully uploaded. Now let's check here in database if it's inserted or not. Yes, the data is successfully inserted, you can see. So guys, now you can see that you are uploading the data from here, from Angular, and it's uploading successfully the file here. And not only that, the data is also inserting successfully here in the PHP, through PHP to MySQL database. One more thing, we need to show here message to the users if it really successfully uploaded or not, because it doesn't show anything. Okay, so in that case, let's do one thing. One thing, and yes, there is one mistake, because only one record got inserted while we had two. So there is something wrong here, I believe. Oh, this I++ will be outside here. Okay, because this I++, this one will be inside, outside this. It was inside this curly braces. That is right, it didn't work, I believe. I guess so. Let's try now. Let's try second time. Just I'm going to delete this one, and here the record also, let's delete. In the meantime, we will do one more work here. Let's check what is coming here in data. Okay, so let's console.log. Let's check what is coming here in data after uploading. So let's go here, select the file, and try to upload. And then you can see the message is coming here. File is valid and was successfully uploaded. So this message we will show here in the top here to the user, so that user will know that okay, his file is uploaded. Okay, so let's do one thing. Right here, message equals to data, but first we need to write like this: if data dot message success, right? Success. In that case, here we will write this message equals to data dot success. So let's declare this dot message. So this message needs to be declared here, else this data dot failed. Why? because you can see in case of failure, we have written here that. And one more thing, this whole thing, actually this whole thing we would like to put inside here. Because if file is not uploaded, then how it can show the message? Anyway, that's a small task, so that doesn't matter. The main thing is here. So here we need to show now this message where in HTML, okay, somewhere like div, and then style or class bg warning or danger. Okay, now let's try to upload and see if the message is displaying or not. Okay, so let's go here, and the message should display on the top. Okay, select here, let's go to registration, and then form submit. You can see the message is successfully showing here. The file is uploaded successfully. Okay, so guys, I just made modification because there was only one record inserting. So let's delete this code as well as here also. Okay, and it's not required anymore, so just delete this one also. The only thing that I made changes here is while then CSV array and this thing and here. So this line you need to add here, and everything is perfect. So now let's try by uploading the file. So now let's go here and select the file, this, open, and then this file has been successfully uploaded. Perfect. Then now let's go here and check. You can see 2 records successfully has been uploaded. So guys, hope you like this video. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, then I request you to please subscribe and also like and comment. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.